Alright, I'm at the Jacktown show here, and things are winding down. It's late Saturday night, but my two genius buddies over here are looking something over, and they don't know what it is, but they have an idea. What do you think it is, Mike?
I think it's a gauge. It's a way to set ignition timing on some particular engine. So you'd pretty much have an adapter that threads on the bottom of here that would thread into your spark plug hole. And inside here, there's like a little, I don't know, a piece of pipe with a fork in it, and I'm thinking there's an attachment that would slip in there for different lengths that would ride on the head of the crown of the piston. You set this in the cylinder, because when you push on that little pipe there, that tube, see this pointer hidden in here? That moves up this scale as this is pushed in. This pointer here is adjustable. It's kind of tight right here, but you can move it up and down with the thumb screw. And then you have that, and now up here, can you see that? You have a spark gap in here, an adjustable spark gap, which appears to be a spark gap. This is an insulated block here. So I don't know if maybe you would rotate an engine, maybe something with an impulse magneto, something that would make a spark as you're turning the engine slowly and watching this.
And what is this some kind of gauge here too?
Well,
it
doesn't have numbers, it has graduations.
Okay.
Graduations, and then this spring, like when you loosen this up, it gets loose, and you tighten this up here, and it starts pulling on that spring, which probably changes the position of that.
You know, when you find something like this, you don't know if something is missing. You know, it was part of a kit, or no. Maybe somebody knows. Maybe somebody will leave a comment.
There's no name on it. There's nothing. It's nickeled, so that's got to be 1930s or older, maybe, as a guess. You know, so it's a giant. What is it?
Right.
You know, we've had this thing kicking around for a long time, and don't know where it came from.
I bet you one of my subscribers has one.
Yeah.
Or his grandfather or somebody. So.
Yeah, somebody out there knows what that is, and boy, would we like to know.
Yeah. All right, that's from our buddy Rob and Mike. So give us some help here. All right, what do you say? Enough of this?
Enough of this, too.
Enough of this.